Hello, all. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So, today, not today, yesterday, Microsoft did release 2024 Release Wave 1 online, which is SaaS, as a general availability. Now, that's a good news, and we all were expecting it. Let's quickly go through what is in it and what you need to take care at this point as partners or customers. So, this release brings up enhanced user experience, advanced financial management, enhanced integration and connectivity. There's a lot of AI driven insights and analytics that are part of Business Center 2024 Release Wave 1. There are enhancement into mobile and remote workforce areas. And then surely it's a Microsoft release. So there is a lot of things for developers, tools and extensibility that'll make our life easier as developer. So what you can do as of today? Any new customer which signs off after yesterday will be automatically signing up for Business Central 2024 Release Wave 1. You will not be able to choose a prior version after the general availability of the product, and this only applicable to Business Central SaaS. For existing customer, you'll receive an email notification where updates will become available, and then you will have a period on which you can update it. For on-premise customers, we'll still have to wait. Hopefully by this week that should be out, but let's not waste time into a lot of talking. Let's try to create our first Business Central 2024 Release Wave 1 environment. So as I said, for new customers, you will be able to create new environments in your Business Central SaaS only with Business Central 24 at this moment. You'll not be able to choose 23.5 or any prior version. So when you hit new into your Business Central Admin Center, it should pop up a window and it say the name of the environment. Let's give it as Business Central 24, and the type of environment you need to choose from production or sandbox. Going down in the queue, you need to choose what type of environment it is, and then for which country and localization you need it for. Now you can choose based on your region. I'll be choosing US at this moment, and because I'm working for North Indian customers. And then here comes the question of choosing the version. Now there are two options that you see, which is the GA release, the general availability release, which is 17628 at this moment, and then there is a preview release. Now remember, if you already had a preview environment for doing your testing and doing your learnings on Business Central 24, those environment will be removed after 1 month of or 15 days. I'm not exactly sure when they are, but they'll be automatically deleted after a certain period of time. So you can only choose the current version, which is 24.0, and then you just hit the create button, and the tenant or the environment will be created into your tenant as you click OK. Now, what does that mean for existing customer? Let's quickly talk about it. Now, you surely, and we surely have talked about it into the previous release, but I'll pop up it again. So the major and minor updates for Business Central, if needed, I'll put the link of this article into the pinned comment. This is an MSDN article. So what happens? Once the preview is announced, which normally happens in March for the Wave 1 and August for the Wave 2, you get approximately a month where you can create preview environments, test out things what are part of the new release, and then the new version is available normally in the first week of April. Once the general availability of the new versions happens, Microsoft gives you approximately a week, which in this year it seems it should be available by 410, by 10th of April. The update window for existing tenants will start. Now you get a certain period of time before you can schedule an update, and you will have to upgrade all your customers or all your environments if you are a customer between that upgrade window. Now, in the past, this upgrade window has been a little bit different, but Microsoft have recently made an announcement that for Business Central 24 as of today, This upgrade window will be of 60 days. So from the date when updates starts rolling out, you will get 2 months or 60 days to make sure that your environments are up to date. Now, how you know about it? Let's quickly see this in the environments here. Things that you need to do. Make sure if you are an administrator or if you are a partner for your customers, make sure in the notification recipient you have added your email address. So you just need to click this. You need to give your name. You need to give your email ID. Okay, and hit save. You can have multiple recipients here. As soon as there is a tenant level change or a issue or a problem, you will get notified by Microsoft via email on all the email addresses that are added in this area of your tenant. Once you receive a notification from Microsoft that the upgrades are available or updates are available, you can surely head up to your sandbox that I would do to begin with and come here and see what is the update available, when I can schedule it, and then I can prepone this environment, which is my sandbox environment, to upgrade it as soon as possible. Now remember, the other parameter which is very important is update window. That should be set based on your time zone, which is for customers, and if you are a partner, then make sure that it only happens during the downtime for customer in their time zone. So make sure that you choose the right time zone. If I'm working from India and I'm working for a customer, let's say in Australia, I should not set it during India downtime because that might be working hours for my customer. So set the time zone and the start time and end time based on your customer non-working hours. Now this time has a rule that it need to be at least 6 hours. I cannot change it to, let's say, 9 p.m. to, let's say, 11 p.m. and I'll say that the update window must be at least 6 hours. So it should be 6 hours of kind of non-working hours when update can happen. So on your sandbox, prepone your updates, make sure that your environments are up to date. In the meantime, what Microsoft is also doing behind the scene is evaluating all your extensions that are available in your existing environments, which is this and this one, and verifying that those extensions are compatible with Business Central 24 or not. If there is a problem, Microsoft will notify you via an email that again there is a problem and you need to fix it before the 60-day window run out of time. If you are a partner, you can pre-do it now because the version is available, and make sure that extensions are compatible with the upcoming or the general available release at this moment. And if there are any errors, specifically errors, make sure you fix them. And if there are warnings and you're a good developer, no offense, try also to fix them so that they don't become a problem in future when those errors turn into when those warnings turn into errors in future. People who are developers, they will be able to create Docker environments for Business Central 24 starting yesterday. So you can choose the Docker environment, and the Docker versions are available for on-premise and for SaaS sandboxes. So you can choose either of them, which also means that there is not a lot of there's not a lot of time before the on-prem release happens and you will be able to download the product DVD from Microsoft website, because when the dockers are available, it should be sooner than later. I think it's just packaging those assemblies and DLLs to make it available for you. And then if you are interested, make sure to join the launch event, because who else can tell you what is changing in the product other than Microsoft, who are making those changes. So this year the launch event starts tomorrow, which is April 4th, to April 10th. The launch event have 35 plus what's new session. There will be a live opening session about the product enhancement and the direction where the product is moving. There will be deep dives, 35 sessions, which will talk about each and every enhancement that has been made into the product. There will be live Q&A session with the development team who are working on these enhancements that are being built. So if you have questions where you have tested it out and tried it, make sure to join these events sessions to learn what's changing into it. Otherwise, I'll do it for you. There's a huge separate section seems to be focusing on the Copilot and AI, and you can see the list of all great speakers from Microsoft which will be talking about all these different enhancements to the product. You can also see what are the different sessions around Power Platform, Dataverse, sustainability, e-documents, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to. This is a pretty huge list. You can even today register for this event. The link for this page will be available into the first pinned comment of this video. What else? Am I missing something? I don't think so. I'll set up this environment, and then going forward, whatever videos you will see on this channel will be on the general available release of Business Center 2024, release wave 1. I hope you can sense the excitement in my voice. I normally get super excited whenever there is a new version, because that brings new possibilities for us as developers, as well as new possibilities for our customers to make their business easy and simple, their processes as easy and simple as possible. So I'll be interested to see what you like, which of these features you are super excited about, which are the features that you are super interested in learning more about. And if you can share those feedbacks into the comments of this video, I'll prioritize them while kind of going deep dive into those individual topics. You know the drill. Hit the like button if you like the content. Make sure to share it on your social media accounts so that the other people in the community kind of know about it and learn from it. And if you haven't, which I'm pretty sure, do subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting all the new content that's being published on this website, and that automatically comes on your email whenever I post new content. So I'll see you sooner than later on the next video in what's new in 2024 release wave 1 series, and I'll be waiting for your comments. Till then, keep learning and have fun.